Morning everybody, back here at B9 Auto Clinic. This is the new baby we got today. Came in, non-start, cranks, won't start. So we checked, we did a proper check, inspection, we found out there was no injector pulse. But every time we played with one of the relays here, the ASD relay, the car could start. And then once you leave, the car switches off again. So we decided to check and we found out there was water in the fuse box, so it's corroded. So now we're busy cleaning it up. Then we're gonna try and start this baby again.